Today we're looking at solving an exponential equation, and the method is by taking logs. And so we're going to look at our first equation here is solving 4 to the x is equal to 20. And what we can do if we have a problem like this with an exponential is we can take logs of both sides. So I simply put here log of 4x equals log of 20. And I'm just using common log, so it's log base 10, right? And then once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and use the power property. And using the power property will allow me to take this x here and bring it in front. So then we'll have x times log of 4 equals log of 20. Now I can solve for x. So I want the x all by itself. I'm going to divide both sides by log of 4. And then at this point, you're going to go to the calculator. And using the buttons that say log, you're going to put in log of 20 and then divide that by log of 4. And you'll come up with the answer, which you round off. It should be around 2.161. So this is a handy system, and we're going to have problems that get a little bit longer. So let's take a look at a second one. Put it here on the same screen. Let's say we have 3x minus 9 equals 21. Now, before I take logs of both sides, I want to have the exponential part all by itself here. So I just want to have that 3 to the x. So I want to get rid of this minus 9. We've got to get rid of that. So we'll do that by adding 9 to both sides. Get my blue ink here. So we'll do plus 9. So on this side, I'm left with 3 to the x. Over here, I'll have 30. Now, since the power is by itself, now I can go ahead and take the log. So we'll take log of 3x equals log of 30. And then we'll do our thing where we can move. I guess I've switched to blue here. We'll move that x. Using that power property, we'll pull the x out front. So I'll have x log of 3 equals log of 30. Next step will be to divide. So we'll divide both sides by log of 3. That will give me x equals log 30 over log 3. And then when we, using the calculator, get our answers for those logs, we'll get something around 3.0996.